Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class 6 again. And as you know, we were doing the reinforcement of chapter number 4, algebraic expressions. But before that, I am going to discuss few things with you all. Meeting rules, you know what are the meeting rules? Right, you know, you have to wear the uniforms, and after 3 minutes meeting room will be locked, and then you will not able to join the meeting anymore. Okay, so please make it sure that in the first 3 minutes you will join the lecture. Okay, and please make it sure that your videos are also on. Okay, after that, the thing that is most important is that tomorrow, right, tomorrow, yes, Saturday is the homework submission day. So students, please submit all those copies that are unchecked. Okay, all the copies that are unchecked, please make it sure your index is complete index, complete classwork, complete homework ke sath you will submit your copies tomorrow, and then inshallah I will hand it over you after 1 week, right? And then this is the revision, and most important thing is that revision is very important. We do not have a lot of time for revision. Okay, so the questions that I'm going to solve in revision, the that I'm going to explain in revision, those questions are very important. So you have to focus on those questions, right? And I will try to post some worksheets as well. So please focus on worksheet as well. Okay, worksheet is also important. Okay, so when you are going to prepare for the final term exam, so worksheets ko samne rakh ke you will prepare your monthly exam, final term exams, right? Now let's start the lecture. In chapter number 4, we are going to start from exercise number 4.9. Okay, we have completed 4.8 previously, right? And we are going to start from exercise number 4.9 and question number 1 and 2, right? Question number 1 and 2, very easy. You know what are the formulas that we were using? Remember these formula number 1 is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Remember this cubic formula, everyone? Hmm? याद है? राइट, सर हिलाया करें, मुझे नजर आ रहे होते हैं आप सब. ऐसे गुड ईशर. Okay, अच्छा, a plus b whole cube. Okay, if you have two terms and you have to take the cube of these two terms, so it will be equals to a cube plus 3a square. Just a minute. A, just a minute. Okay, and the second formula will be if you have a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, so it is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, so what is the difference in plus and minus formula? Here you have minus sign. Okay, and in between two terms you have plus sign, right? Now let's start the lecture. In exercise number 4.9, question number 1 is find the cube of. Important question. Okay, this is important one. Find the cube of. Here you have the question 2x plus 3y. Okay, nothing is written here and you have to find out the cube. Okay, so how you will start? You will start with the heading of solution, and what is given to you? This one, that is 2x plus 3y. So what you will take? You will take the cube of this one. Do not copy it down. Okay, this is just explanation. Okay, 2x plus 3y whole cube. Okay, you are going to take its whole cube. Nothing difficult, very easy. Simply what you will do, you will simply write down the formula here, cubic formula of addition. Okay, cubic formula of addition. What will be formula? A plus b whole cube, it is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now here you will decide what is your term a and term b. Okay, term a here is this one, which is 2x, right? And term b here is 3y. Simple, right? After that, what you will do, you will simply put the value of a and b in the given formula. Which formula? This formula, right? Understand? Now simply put the formula here. Now what it will be? Put the value of a and b in the above formula. So how will you write? 2x plus 3y whole cube. Okay, first you will take the cube of term a, that is 2x whole cube. Okay, plus 3, coefficient is 3, right? And then a square. So term a which is 2x and its whole square. Okay, term b will be copied as it is, but obviously when you are putting the values, so you will write it down inside the bracket, which is 3y. Same goes for this one, which is plus 3ab square. Okay, a b whole square plus 3y whole cube. Last term is b cube, so you will write 3y whole cube. Now in the next step, what you will do, first you are going to solve the powers here. Okay, first you are going to solve the power here. Do not do 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Why? Because it has cube, so you are going to open the cubes here, right? So you are going to take it the cube of 2x, so it will, the cube of 2 will be 8, so it will become 8x cube plus 3 will copy it as it is. The square of 2x will be 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4x square, then 3y as it is plus 3 2y, and here you have 3y whole square. So square of 3y will be 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9y square inside the bracket, because we are going to multiply this one as well, right? And the cube of 3 will be 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 9 multiplied by 3 is 27y cube, right? In the next step, simply what you are going to do, you are going to multiply the coefficients with the coefficients and variables with the variables. In the next step, 8x cube, it already solved it, it will copy it as it is. Next one is 3 into 4 is 12, right? 12x square, understand? And then it will be copied, which is 3y plus, it's up to you, अगर आप इसको एक ही साथ multiply कर दें, it's okay, no issue, understand? Then 3 into 2 is 6x, that is the last one, which is 9y square, will copy it as it is, and it is simply 27y cube. In the last step, what we are going to do, I am going to multiply this 12 by 3 and this 6 by 9. That's it. Okay, so what you will get as an answer, you will get here 8x cube plus 36. Why 36? Because 12 multiplied by 3 will be 36 x square y, right? Next will be plus 6 into 9 is 54. Okay, 6 into 9 is 54, this x and then this y square, and the last one will be 27y cube. So this will be your final answer, right? Is it clear? Sir hilaiye. Is it clear? No? Yes or no? जोर से, जोर से, थोड़ा और जोर से. Just a minute. Let's check other students. Yes, Zimel and Meda, clear? Zimel and Meda? Hmm? Clear? Okay, Abdul Ahad, your camera is not on. Why? Abdul Ahad, Hamza Mushtaba, and Rumesa. Okay, moving on to the next one. Just a minute. Moise, where is the camera? Okay, move on to the next one. Abdul Ahad, please camera on कीजिए. Okay. Next is find the value of another very important question. Find the value of this one, which is y cube minus z cube when y minus z is equals to 3 and yz is equals to minus 4. Okay, you have to find out the value of this thing. Understand? You have to find out the value of this thing, and given you here is this one, which is y minus z is equals to 3. So no issue. What you will write, given that what is given to you here, this one, which is y minus z is equals to 4. Sorry, ये थोड़ी सी mistake है. Okay. Next is taking cube on both sides. Now you are going to take the cube on both sides, y minus z cube. Okay, ये जो given है आपको, आपने इसमें क्या ले लिया? You will take the cube of them, right? Then what you will do, you will apply the formula of here. This is the plus formula, minus formula. Okay, a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square plus 3ab square minus b cube. And then you will decide what is your term a and term b. Term a here is y and term b here is z, right? Beta, why your cameras are not on? Abdullah, I'm going to put you in waiting room because continuously you are turning off your camera. Hamza Mushtaba, Hamza Mushtaba, what's wrong with you? Next, what you will do, you will apply the formula over here. Okay, what you will do, you will take the cube of y. Okay, y cube, here you have a cube, so you will write here y cube, then minus 3a square b, so you will write here 3y square z, then plus, then you have ab. What is your ab? Your a is y and b is z, so it will become 3yz square minus z cube, and it is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. Right? 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. So cube of 4 will be 64. Okay. Now, look at here. You have to find out the value of what? X cube, Y cube. Here you have Y cube and Z cube. Okay. But what about this? What you will do here, you will take common here. Okay. What you will do, you will take common here. So what will be common here? You will write it down in this way, which is y cube minus. Okay, y cube minus 3y square. So what is common here? Y and z. So you will write here yz as a common, y minus z, y minus, because minus plus will be minus. Okay. Then you will put the values of this one. Yz is here, you have minus 4. So you will write here minus minus plus. Okay. Then you will simply multiply this term. So what you will get here, minus minus will be plus, and when you will multiply 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 is 12, and 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. And then what you will get here, here you have plus 36. So what you will do, you will move it towards this side, so it will become minus 36, and now at the end you will get y cube minus z cube. So 64 minus 36 is equals to 28. So this is the way to solve it. Now everyone, time is running out, so please write down the work, write down the index in algebra copy, write down index in algebra copy. Exercise number 4.9, question number 1, bit number 1, and question number 2, bit number 2. Hurry up, write down the index, and then start your work. Start your work, please. Done? Are we done with the index? Now start your work. अब्दुल अहद, कैमरा ऑन नहीं है आपका. Okay. Okay, Rumesa. Then, okay, hurry up, students. Abdul Rahman, what are you doing? Abdul Rahman, what are you doing? Are you doing your work? Abdul Rahman. So मुझे तो आप नहीं लग रहा ऐसा. Okay, Abdullah Hat. Have you copied the right question, Moise? Start your work, please, beta. 3x plus 4. Yes, now you will take the cube of it. Cube, not square. Yes. Now apply the formula. Hmm. 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Very good. Mhm. 3x whole square. Yes, b will be 4 plus 3. Okay, fine. Good. Z camera. Z camera, please. Z, turn on your camera, please. Very good. Yes. Now solve the power. Z, haven't you started yet? Hmm? Start नहीं किया अभी तक आपने. Why, बेटा? Hmm. Hurry up, Zed. Hurry up. Hurry up, students. Nothing is, if anything is not clear. Okay, very good. Moise, right answer. Yes, Moise, very good. And right answer. Move on to the next one. Okay, Abdul Rahman, I'm checking your work. Okay. Very good. Now move on to the next question. Moise and Abdul Rahman, you may start the next question. But you have to take beta, take the cube of it. Z, take the cube of it. Okay, Meda, have you done? Meda, have you done? I can't listen you, beta. You have to write it down in the chat box. Okay, ये problem है. Okay, Meda. Okay, please show your question number 1. Show your question number 1. Okay, put the plus sign of equality here, sign of equals to or before red line. Yes, okay, fine. This is 3x, 3x. This is 3x. Here, step number 1. No, 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 no. Before last third step. Last third step, yes. स्टार्टिंग में बिल्कुल स्टार्ट में आइए. 3 क्यूब है, 3x होल क्यूब. हाँ अब ठीक है, फाइन. Okay, who is this? Rumesa. Okay, now Maida, you may start the next question. Rumesa. Okay, fine. Zimel, please share your work. Ishal, have you done? No? Question number 1 नहीं हुआ अभी आपका? No? Question 1 हो गया? Have you done question 1, Ishal? Yes or no? Say yes or no. Yes, okay. You are on question number 2, right? Okay. What about you, Fatma? Question number 1, yes or no? No? Are you doing question number 1? Question number 1 हो गया. Okay, fine. Now start 2. Okay? Okay, Zimal, I'm checking your work. Okay, Zimal, ink remover का usage नजर आ रहा है. Okay, fine. Very good. Start the next one. Next question. These are important questions, okay? Hurry up. Okay, Zimal, video. Who is this? Abdul Rahman. Okay. Keep going on. Hurry up. Okay, fine. Mm-hmm. ठीक है. Right. Hamza, camera. Hamza Mustafa, please reply. Abdullah and Hamza Mustafa, please reply. Show your work. Done? Okay, fine. Ishal. Okay, Ishal, show your work. 27x cube plus 108x square plus 144x plus 64. Okay. Next one, please. Okay, x cube minus y cube minus 3x minus xy. ठीक है. 216. Okay, fine. Very good. Very good, beta. Okay, next is, who is this? Yes, Simel, Maida. Maida, have you done? Yes? Okay, show your work. Hmm. Okay. This is okay. Fine, fine, fine. Right. Okay. Good. Okay, Fatma, your turn. Yeah, show your work. Hmm. Just hold on. Okay, next. Uh, Answer is 396, right? Okay, good. Now, Abdul Rahman, good beta. Abdul Rahman. Hmm. Abdul Rahman, what are you doing? Wrong. बेटा you have to take the cube of what? Cube किसके लिए है? ऊपर से show कीजिए. Starting, show the starting steps. Okay, you have to take the cube of this one, that is x minus y is equals to 6. So you will write here x minus y whole cube is equals to 6 whole cube. So you have to take the cube of 6 as well, right? Wrong work. Okay, Mother, just show your work so that I can show him what is wrong with. Okay, now look at here. Abdul Rahman, look at here. Yes, just a minute. Abdul Rahman, listen. Question number 2. Beta, question number 2. Yes, Abdul Rahman, look at here. Given that you will write here x minus y is equals to 6. Okay, and you have to take the cube of x minus y whole cube is equals to 6 whole cube. Understand? And then you will apply the formula of over there x minus y, and then you will take the cube of 6 as well, which is 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216, right? So this is a mistake, so do it again. Okay, thank you, Veda. Thank you so much. Rumesa, what is your answer, bete? 396. Very good. And previous work? Previous work, please. Previous work, please. Who is this? Moise? Okay. Just a minute. I'm checking your work and then I'm about. Okay. Very good, Moise. Y cube. Okay. 6 cube. Next page. Okay, students. I'm going to. Very good, Peter. Very good. Okay, students. I'm going to end the lecture here. Okay, if you want to ask anything, if you have questions, so please ask. And please submit your work. Please submit your work tomorrow. Okay, please submit your work tomorrow, right?